Welcome back. Today's Trusted Advisor segment is sponsored by SplenDent Implant Center. You know, people have had a smile maybe that they really haven't been proud of for years and years, but it can actually be corrected in just one day.
One day, that's right. Teeth in a day is something that Dr. Wesley and his staff can provide, and it's really giving people something to smile about.
Well, teeth in a day is exactly that. We are able to take people with very debilitated dentitions or very rotten teeth, for lack of better terms. We're able to take out all their bad teeth, clean the infections, level the bone, place our dental implants, and put teeth on a temporary basis all in the same day before they wake up. This procedure takes probably about 2 to 3 hours per arch, so we'd be in there for a 5 to 6 hour day. And when the patients wake up and walk out, they actually have temporary teeth hooked to the implants. So people coming in with a few teeth or very broken down teeth can walk out with a pretty nice smile. They're a little bit groggy after that, but they have a real nice smile and they can begin to chew a lot better than actually when they came in. For the majority, a lot of patients come in with, I think dental anxiety is one of the main reasons people avoid coming to the dentist. Well, when you do that and avoid the dentist, eventually it catches up with you. Just the bacteria that's naturally in our mouth tends to build up, and when that builds up, gum disease starts, so you start losing bone support on your teeth, and decay sets in, so you start getting a lot of decay and rotten teeth that actually become very, very painful for people, and that again keeps them from coming into the dentist because they're just fearful of the dentist. A lot of people start off with a denture thinking that that's going to be the answer for their dental problems. A lot of people don't even think they have to come into the dentist anymore, when in fact, once we remove all of the natural teeth, the bone that supports the gums, which support the dentures, starts to shrink at a very quick rate. Usually 5 to 7 years. On average, the patient goes from having decent bone to support their dentures to none. Teeth in a day eliminates that process of bone loss, which is the key to teeth in a day. Cost is a stumbling block for a lot of people. You're looking anywhere from $20,000 to $30,000 per arch, an arch being the upper teeth and or the lower teeth. So it could be very, very costly to a lot of people. What we try to do here at SplenDent is offer up some type of financing through the various financing services and centers that we utilize. A lot of the banks help us out with patients who have decent credit come in and they're able to establish a loan to have their dental health improved and extend that over sometimes 4 to 7 years. Come on out and see us here at SplenDent at our center here in Norton Shores, at our surgical center, or over in our Byron Center Family Dental over in Grand Rapids, and come in for a free consult. Let us help you to get a better smile and a better set of teeth.
If that's you, well, you might want to check them out for more information. SplenDent Implant Center at 4489 Byron Center Avenue, Southwest in Wyoming. Or you can give them a call, 616-512-1958, or go to splendentsmiles.com.